You're still using Apache for phpMyAdmin? You're missing speed, security, and simplicity. Here's how to use Nginx to run phpMyAdmin. It's faster, lighter, and in half the setup time.
Here is what we will cover in this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're ready, let's go. First, install Termux from the official F-Droid website. And install the app. Like any regular application. Once done, open Termux. Type pkg update and pkg upgrade to update everything. Like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated to make more content. Next, install the necessary packages. Now let us configure Nginx. Nginx is a lightweight web server, perfect for systems like Android. It replaces Apache with cleaner performance and finer control. Navigate to the user/share folder. Copy the phpMyAdmin folder into the Nginx folder. Once done, let us create the Nginx server for phpMyAdmin. Create a second Termux session. Go to usr etc. Nginx. Use neovim to edit index.conf. Copy and paste the code in the description for the Nginx phpMyAdmin server. Then scroll down, modify the other server port to 7070. Save and exit. Start Nginx and open your browser on port 8080. Nginx started, but there is a bug. Do not worry, we will fix it in a few seconds. To do that, we need to configure PHP-FPM. We already installed PHP-FPM. PHP-FPM is the engine that helps Nginx run PHP code. Without it, Nginx does not understand .php files. Create a new session, go back to the etc. folder. Then go to phpFPM.d and edit the www.conf file. Start the server warnings are not important. Go back to the browser and refresh the page. But oops, another error. The deprecated error means that the PHP code used by phpMyAdmin is old, and it will soon not be supported by the current PHP version. Good news, we can avoid those errors. Go back to usr etc. Create a folder named PHP. Then add a php.ini file inside it. Insert the following code. Now we need to restart everything. Stop both PHP-FPM and Nginx. Then restart them. Go back to the browser and refresh. Yay, this time it works. Let us try logging in with root as user and password. Not a big deal. We will fix this in a few seconds. Subscribe to help us grow. Create a new Termux session. Go back to the home folder. Start the MariaDB server. Then configure it with this command, MariaDB secure installation. Follow carefully. Do exactly as I do. Now launch the shell, MariaDB-uroot-p. Create a user. Give them all privileges. Then save everything instantly with flush privileges. Once done, type exit to quit. Restart MariaDB cleanly. Kill all MariaDB. Then MariaDBD. Subscribe to help us grow. And there is one last thing to change to make everything work. Go back to Termux first session. Navigate to the phpMyAdmin folder we copied into Nginx. Edit the config.inc.p file. Save and exit. Now get back to the fourth session. Stop and reload everything. Subscribe to the channel. Now, for the last time, go back to the browser and try to log in again. Enter your admin username and root password. Congratulations, it is finally working. phpMyAdmin is now running with Nginx on Termux directly from your Android. Subscribe to help us grow. Tell me what you are looking for. Next time, we will make a video about it.